Hey guys, my name is Ken, and today I'll show you how to remove the fog light bezels for your 2017 BRZ. And while I'm at it, I'll also do a quick and simple fog light mod, JDM style. So let's get started. So these are the tools I'll be using. Some of these are optional. I have the yellow tint, a flat head, a pair of scissors, trim remover, a squeegee, a box cutter, and a masking tape to protect your paint from scratches. It's really simple to remove the fog light bezels. You just need to pop the tabs behind it using the trim remover or a flathead. And once you free up some of the tabs, you can just pull it towards you and out goes the bezel. As you can see, I already installed a layer of yellow tint on the fog light, but I'll redo it for you guys. I'll be using a hairdryer to soften the film for easy removal. You don't need to be exact on the measurements for the film, just cut enough to cover the fog lights and over the edges. You don't need to worry if you don't cut the edges clean, because the fog light bezels will cover most of the imperfections anyway. Stick the film starting from the center and work your way to the edges. You can use a squeegee or you can even do it with your thumbs. If you want a more intense yellow light on your fog lights, you can always double up the layer. Just pop back the fog light bezel and your mod is done. I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.